What don't you see in the background behind me? Well, I'll tell you, what you don't see is happy couples sitting by the pool taking in the afternoon. You know what? It's surprising, but lots of women aren't sitting there with their loving husbands because they feel their husbands aren't loving husbands. Their husbands are gaslighting, narcissist, lying kinds of guys. And those women are sick and tired of going on vacation with the guy because he drives her crazy. And they would rather die than go on a road trip with the husband all day long, stuck in the car, and then in the evening stuck in a hotel room. That's why there's nobody here sitting by the pool, and there's nobody, no loving couples smooching in the hot tub behind me. Well, you know what? That doesn't have to be the end of the story. Just recently, we finished working with a woman that was in exactly that place. They cut their last two vacations short because they hated each other in the car, days driving. But you know what? When we were finished working with her, didn't even work with him, just finished working with her, one of the last things she said to us was, you know what? I'm going on vacation next week with my husband and I can't wait. We're going to have such a good time. That's the transformation that happens when women that are on the brink of divorce, they're seriously thinking about divorce, but they say, hey, you know what? Before I divorce, I want to make sure that I've done everything I can do to save this marriage. And so they work with us. And in a very short period of time, we equipped her with tools and strategies that transform herself and transform the relationship. Curious? Do you want to be the woman with her husband sitting on that chaise behind me, enjoying the infinity pool? You can be that. Click the link below, get more information. We would love to help you, serve you, save your marriage, and get you to the place where you're happier in your relationship than you've ever been. For real.